Hi everyone, my name is Kim Smith, and today I'm just going to go over my website that I've created for our final project. And to start off, we are on the homepage with just a little bit about myself and what I'm looking forward to. We have my goal right here to be a great social worker and help children and their education and everything in that area. Also, an email to get in touch with me, as we don't want to use our phone number. Over here, we have the About page, and just a little bit about what I'm doing at Stockton, what I want to work towards with my degree eventually, as well as a link to the video introducing myself, as well as my LinkedIn account, and just a few pictures of social work and the degree and where Stockton is also located in New Jersey. From here, we go to our social work page that I've created, what social work is and how you can become one. There's also websites listed here that allow you to click on them and go to different pages showing websites that can encourage and enhance a social work major and really benefit them in outside ways of the classroom. Here we have our poll, and if you were a social worker major, what would you want to know? How to become a head caseworker or how to achieve the highest level of social work? From here, we go to our blog page, and here you can find my link to all my blogs. Next, we have our SmackDown page, which allows you to find out what a SmackDown is, and this leads to all of my SmackDown blog posts as well, which include all the photos and short information about what each one is about. From here, we have our final page, which is tools to use. Now, I created my number one tool, which was Skype, and from there we have Easily, LinkedIn, Octopost, and Twitter. And these are all great different tools that we've learned about here and used within this class. And that's just about it. So I really hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I hope everyone looked forward to learn a little bit about myself as well as my career as a social worker. Thanks!